Hello, my friends. How are you? Welcome to our ship's adventure. Look at the merry-go-round. It's a perfect circle. A circle is round and has no corners. Can you say circle? Circle! Look at our next shape. It's a heart. A heart shows love and kindness. Can you say heart? Heart! Fantastic! Our next shape looks like a kite, but it's always shiny and sparkling. Everyone loves it. It's a diamond. Can you say diamond with me? Diamond. Our next shape, we will draw it together. It has 3 sides and 3 corners. Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3. It's a triangle. Can you say triangle? Triangle. You are amazing. Our next shape is very simple. It has 4 equal sides and 4 corners. I'm sure you know it. Let's draw it together. 1, 2, 3, 4. They are equal sides. It's a square. Can you say square? Square. For our next shape, it has 4 sides, but 2 sides are longer and the other 2 sides are shorter. Can you guess what it is? Let's draw it together first. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sides, 2 shorter and 2 longer. It's a rectangle. Can you say rectangle? Rectangle. Look at this egg. It's shaped oval. An oval shape is like a stretched out circle. Can you say oval? Oval. Great job, my friends. Our next shape, I'm sure you all know it. You look at it most of the evenings in the sky. It's a star. A star has points that shine brightly. Let's say star together. Star. Our next shape is called a pentagon. Pentagons have 5 sides. Can you say pentagon with me? Pentagon. Awesome. Look at the cells of the beehive where we get honey from. They are shaped as a hexagon. A hexagon has 6 sides. Can we all say hexagon together? Hexagon. Great job. Our next shape is an octagon. A stop sign on the road is shaped like an octagon. An octagon has 8 sides. Can you say octagon? Octagon. Fantastic. My lovely friends, look at all the shapes we have learned today. Everything we see has a shape. Shapes are fun and they are everywhere. Thank you for joining me today and watching this video until the end. Stay blessed. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I love you so much. See you in the next video. Goodbye.